In this video, I'll show you how to set up your signature in Apple Mail on your Mac. To get started, open your signature in My Signature and click Copy Main Signature. Now open Apple Mail, click Mail in the top menu and select Settings. Switch to the Signatures tab, choose your email account, click the plus icon and name it Main Signature. Make sure to uncheck Always Match My Default Message Font. Then paste your signature into the box using Command+V. Next, switch back to My Signature, go to the Reply or Forward tab, and click Copy Reply or Forward Signature. Back in Apple Mail settings, click the plus icon again, name this one Reply Signature, keep the font option unchecked, and paste it into the box. Now, here's an important detail. If the preview in settings looks blank or shows missing images, don't worry. That's completely normal in Apple Mail. Just open a new email window to test it out. As you can see, your signature displays perfectly with all graphics intact and you're all set.